Title: Why the Deep Ocean Creates Monsters Instead of Animals. Far below the waves, past the reach of sunlight, past the last place a human breath could survive, there is a world that looks unfinished. A place where shapes feel wrong, where eyes are too large, teeth too sharp, bodies too thin or too swollen, as if nature stopped following the rules we recognize. This is not a nightmare. This is Earth. And the deeper we go, the less life looks like life at all. As we descend into the deep ocean, light vanishes quickly. Within minutes, blue fades to black. No sun, no shadows, no sense of up or down. In this endless night, vision becomes almost useless. So evolution makes a strange choice. Some creatures grow enormous eyes, wide, glassy, desperate to catch even a single particle of light. Others abandon eyes entirely. Fish that cannot see still hunt with terrifying accuracy. They feel vibrations, they sense pressure changes, they taste movement in the water itself. Scientists still don't fully understand how precise these senses are. Some animals can detect motion from meters away without ever seeing their prey. In total darkness, awareness replaces sight, and that raises a disturbing question. What else can sense us before we sense it? At 1,000 meters down, the ocean begins to press inward. Every square inch of a body is squeezed by the weight of 100 elephants. Steel bends here, submarines creak, yet life continues. Bones disappear, bodies soften, flesh becomes gelatinous-like, almost ghostly. Deep-sea fish aren't built to resist pressure. They surrender to it. Their bodies match the ocean's weight perfectly, so they don't collapse.
Evolution
Bring
didn't
one
make
to
them
the surface,
stronger.
and it doesn't
It made them
survive.
compatible.
It doesn't explode dramatically. It simply falls apart. Scientists still don't know how these creatures evolved such fragile perfection. Evolution didn't make them stronger. It made them compatible with crushing reality. And that makes you wonder, how many forms of life only exist because they never leave this depth? Further down, hunger without mercy. Food here is rare. No plants grow. No sunlight feeds life. Most meals come as accidents, a dead fish drifting down, or a single mistake made in the dark. So evolution turns hunger into a weapon. Mouths stretch wider than bodies. Teeth curve inward like traps. Stomachs expand to hold meals larger than the hunter itself. The anglerfish becomes a floating lie, a glowing lure waving gently, pretending to be harmless. When something curious approaches, it's already too late. What's unsettling is how patient these creatures are. Some can go months, maybe years between meals. Scientists still debate how slow their metabolisms truly are. Time itself seems to move differently down here. In a world where food almost never comes, waiting becomes the ultimate survival skill. Then something impossible appears. Light. Tiny sparks flicker in the black. Blue, green, soft white. Over 90% of deep-sea creatures can glow. This living light, called bioluminescence, is used to hunt, to hide, to communicate. Some flash warnings, some mimic stars, some erase their own shadows by glowing underneath themselves. But here's the mystery. We still don't know why bioluminescence became so widespread. Was it survival, communication, or something else entirely? Every expedition discovers new light patterns, signals we don't understand. It's possible the deep sea is constantly talking, and we're deaf to its language. The abyss, where rules break. Below 4,000 meters, we reach the abyss. Temperatures hover near freezing. Pressure is unimaginable. Life should not exist, yet it does. Creatures here feel unfinished, transparent heads.